What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Right here we've got the tempered glass screen protector from ESR for the iPad mini 7. Now there's a reason why the iPad mini 7's here. All will become clear in a few days, so stay tuned for that or get subscribed now so you don't miss out. But is this the best screen protector you can buy for your iPad mini 7? Pretty decent packaging from ESR as always. Let's just get into it and see what you get in the box. Thought it was sealed there for a second, but it's not, so that's okay. Okay, so popping it out of this right here, you've got little booklet right here on how to install. You've got two cleaning kits, so you must get two screen protectors in this kit. Yes, you do. We're only going to need one and one cleaning kit, and then you get the tray that goes around it. So they haven't done the new kit yet, which we've seen for the iPhone and for the Samsung. Let's take a look what you get in the cleaning kit. Includes wet wipe, microfiber, dust removal stickers. So let's see, rip it open and take it all out. Okay, so microfiber, dust removal, wet wipe, which is it's going to need because there's some fingerprint on this already, and I've not long took it out the box. If you've seen the short, then obviously there'll be a few more videos coming with the iPad mini, so make sure you stay tuned. And if there's anything you'd like to know, if you're looking at the iPad mini, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll see what I can do ahead and give it a good thorough cleaning or to open up the wet wipe. Okay, so there's that. Let's take out the screen protector. So we've got it ready to roll. Let's give this a good thorough cleaning, even though it shouldn't need it, but there's fingerprints on it. Place that out the way, and then what I like to do, I get the microfiber and I just take some of the wetness off the screen and any like little bits of dust, etc., just take them out, as you don't want it too wet, otherwise it'll be a nightmare for the screen protector to stick down. Then I take the biggest dust removal sticker, place it in between, and I just start going around the screen, and anything I see I can take up and off that screen. If we grab hold of this, doesn't really matter which way it goes by the looks of it, and then we place it over the iPad like so. As you can see, where the camera cutout is on the top right there, peel this back and then slot it into place like so, and then drop it in, and then let's push down and then let it do its thing. Okay, so not too bad really. A few bubbles that need to come out of it, but yeah, not too bad. So let's take off the guide, and then let's just try and push these out as best we can. Again, this is what I say about having like a wet screen. Sometimes it won't fully adhere. It'll take like 24 hours to adhere to the screen. So, you know, just beware of that. If it's just too wet, it will not adhere to the screen because the glue won't be able to set underneath. I'm gonna just push it out. Same with this top bit right there. So you may have to like keep pushing them down every now and again. There we go, super nice clean install. If you turn on the iPad. There we go. As I say, you may have to just keep going over them with your finger. Just push them down because it'll adhere to the screen. And then 24 hours you won't even see anything at all on that screen. But there you go. So it looks super clear. Is it responsive? Yeah, absolutely. So what I'm going to go ahead and do right now, I'm going to set this up. We've got another video coming with a case, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But there we go. Nice, fresh, easy install, and it's super simple again from ESR. So is this the best screen protector you can buy for your iPad mini 7? Let me know in the comments down below if you've got one for your iPad, and let me know what I should check out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Huge thank you to ESR for sending this out for me to show you guys. So if you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on. And I'll see you in the next video, which is coming up straight away.